You may be wondering, how do I apply for a private student loan? Let's break it down. Start by going to the website of the lender you're choosing. When you apply, you'll need to know a few things. First, you'll need some personal information, like your address and social security number if you have one. School information, like if you're enrolled full or part-time, your major and degree, the part of the academic year you're borrowing for, your year in school, how much you want to borrow, any financial aid or scholarships you're getting, and your income and financial info, like bank accounts and investments. If you have a cosigner, they'll need to apply with this info too. A student loan cosigner is an adult with good credit who agrees to take on the responsibility of paying back your private student loan with you. If you're not sure how much you'll need to borrow for school, take the full cost of attendance at your school, then subtract any grants, scholarships, and financial aid you received. What's left is the amount you need to borrow. After you submit your application, the lender will do a credit check. If you're approved, you've just got a few more steps to go. You'll need to choose the interest rate and repayment option you want for your loan. You've got two options for interest rates: fixed, which stays the same over the life of your loan, or variable, which changes depending on the economy and market rates. You can be on a deferred repayment plan, a fixed repayment plan, or an interest repayment plan. The plan you choose can impact how much your payments are and what your total loan cost may be. Once you've chosen an interest rate type and repayment option that works for you, accept the terms of your loan and e-sign it. Then your school will approve your loan amount and you're all set. Want to know more about private student loans? Check out SallieMae.com.